Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Fall camping. We love fall camping. Leaves are starting to fall here in Northeast Ohio. It's definitely cool down. Weather is definitely cooler. We're out at Rocky Fork Ranch. Halloween weekends. If you've watched my channel in the past, you know that I do have some nice decorations I like to put out. So we'll put those out here. Let's see, today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. We'll put the decorations out tomorrow. I've actually been here for a week. I've been here a week already. Had a first weekend of Halloween, and I just kind of stayed here at camp. Been working from here. Works out good. And just prepping for the next weekend. So probably going to be a full house this weekend. Last weekend there was a lot of open sites, surprisingly. But this weekend I anticipate it being full. So packed house. A lot of fun for trick-or-treating. Had a costume contest last weekend, and Danielle, my daughter, won first place in her age division. Right there it is. That was pretty funny. So she dressed up as Cyndi Lauper. Yes, she's a singer, so she dressed up as she dressed up as Cyndi Lauper and sang some of her songs at the karaoke. It was a lot of fun. So yeah, just kind of hanging out this week, working, busy with work. We'll just get ready for the weekend activities. I think we're going to do a site judging again and a haunted house this weekend. They did not do the haunted house last weekend. So that is happening. So yeah, we're just gonna have a great fun weekend with the family. All right, we'll check in a little bit. I'm cooking some ribs. Ooh. Got the ribs on the smoker. They actually have a fire ban in southern Ohio, which we're under right now. So can't even have any open fires. But it doesn't stop you from using your smoker. So ribs are in. Quick look. Ooh. Quick look. All right, people are pulling in. Let's sign off for now. All right, we are getting ready for Halloween trick or treat. Just had a little shower. Pretty much put the hamper on everybody. Everybody went scurrying into their campers. But we are ready for trick or treat. Got the decorations are all set up here. Real minimal decorations this year. My little blow up lost its eyes. So the eyes have popped out and they're around the back. They're right here. There's the eyeballs. So it lasted a whole year. Just got a fire going. Pulled out some pellets. Get the pellets going here. So all ready to go. Typical setup around here. Got the hangers. A couple of ghouls. And my lights. Yep. So nothing fancy. Got some blocks ready for burning right here. Never use those blocks, so we'll try those out as long as it doesn't rain. Just want to do a couple dogs for Danielle and I, my daughter. So trick or treat should be about an hour away. See how that goes. Yeah, fun times had by all. We'll get ready, see what happens. But have a good time. As long as this weather holds out. Oh, let's go see Trick or Treat. What do we have down here?
Candy.
What would you all pick? What should I pick? Reese's, Kit Kat, Hershey's.
You guys should pick the Reese's because they're the best kind. Just saying.
All right. We're doing trick or treat. It's a lot of fun. Weather has cleared up a little bit. It's a nice day. Rain stopped, which is surprising. Fire is going. Doing some hot dogs in a little bit. But yeah, it's a fun day. Doing good. Fun times. Ah, yes. Another fun day. Trick or treat, absolute success. Been a lot of fun. There's probably another 100 kids tonight, just like we had last week. All right, well, we are closing up. It is Sunday, noonish. Getting all packed up. Bringing the slides in right now. All the decorations are down. Great weekend. Actually, 2 weekends. It's a fun week. So, Halloween in the books for 2024. All right, everyone. Thanks for stopping by on this one. Hope everybody's doing well. We will see you on the next one.